Everyone, I am Vaishnavi Satish Dhote, Faculty of Civil Engineering Department, TSSM's Bhurabai Sawan College of Engineering and Research, Nhare, Pune. Today we are discussing about Environmental Engineering 2, that is nothing but wastewater engineering. Wastewater refers all effluent from household, commercial establishment and institutions, hospitals, industries and so on. It also includes stormwater and urban runoff, agricultural, horticultural and aquacultural effluent. Wastewater treatment is a process that converts wastewater from unusable state into effluent that can be either returned to water cycle with minimal environment issues and reused for another purpose. From where this wastewater comes or from where this wastewater is generated? The wastewater is generated from our domestic sources, from our household, from the commercial area, from industrial area. We discuss the sources are of wastewater is nothing but domestic source, your institutional source, commercial source and industrial source. These are some pictures this is a sewer line by which we can convey this collected waste or total quantity of waste from our generation state to our treatment plant. This is a conventional wastewater treatment plant flow sheet in which we can see there are various preliminary treatments, various primary treatments, various secondary treatments and various tertiary treatments. This is a diagram of a screen chamber in which we can see a unit operation that separates large floating material in and or on water and from entering water treatment and wastewater treatment. Screens are provided to protect pumps, walls, pipeline and other apparatuses from damage or clogging by rags and other large objects. The next unit of our wastewater treatment plant is nothing but my grit chamber. Grit removal basins are the sedimentation basins placed in front of fine screen to remove inorganic particle having specific gravity of 2.65 such as sands, gravel, grit, eggshell, glass pieces, metal fragment, etc. Our next unit of wastewater treatment plant is nothing but my primary sedimentation tank. The purpose of primary sedimentation tank is removal of readily settleable solids and floating material from wastewater. Usually gives 50 to 70% of suspended solids removal efficiency and 25 to 40% of BOD removal, that is nothing but my biochemical oxygen demand. The next unit of our wastewater treatment plant is a biological treatment plant or biological treatment unit where we activate our sludge, that is nothing but my aeration tank. Aeration is a process of bringing water and air into close contact in order to remove dissolved gases. Activated sludge, as I discuss, aeration tank is nothing but my activated sludge tank where I activate my sludge with the help of adding oxygen in my wastewater. The next unit of our wastewater treatment plant is nothing but my secondary settling tank, that is we can say secondary treatment. This involves treating the liquid part of the wastewater biologically, means microorganisms are present for decomposition of my wastewater. The next process of our wastewater treatment plant is nothing but my thickening or sludge thickener. A thickening is a procedure used to increase the solids content of sludge by removing a portion of liquid fraction. The purpose of sludge thickening is to remove solid content or to increase the solid content of sludge by removing a portion of liquid fraction. The next very important process of your wastewater treatment plant is nothing but my anaerobic sludge digester. It is also a biological process. Decomposition takes place with the help of microorganisms only, but in the absence of oxygen. A digester is a large container in which substances are treated with heat and enzymes to promote decomposition or to extract essential component. The last unit and next unit of our wastewater treatment plant is nothing but my sludge drying bed. Sludge is a residual semi-solid byproduct left from industries and refining process. It is separated solid suspended in a liquid typically containing major quantities of interstitial water between its solid particle. As we know, wastewater, name indicates it is waste water, which is no use, water which is of no use. Please, it is my request, humble request to all of you, save water for next generation. Please focus or concentrate on reuse, reduce and recycle. Thank you.